Hi guys, today I want to inform the importance of accounting and how it impacts not only in the business world but also in everyday life. I think everyone heard about the Enron scandal. It is said to be the largest, most complicated, and most notorious accounting scandal of all time. After doing project in my finance major, I start questioning what if my input or number were not incorrect or unreliable in the beginning. So that I decided to take the accounting major to answer my question. I think accounting system does not simply contribute only to the business world, but also the whole society as well. So to truly understand the role of accounting not only in the business, but also in daily life, there are three ideas should be considered when thinking about accounting. The benefit of learning accounting, the role in business, and the limitation of practice accounting. And there are a lot of characteristics will come in our mind when we hear about the accounting. So the first one is the benefit in learning accounting. So actually people can keep track of their record by doing reconciliation, which I have the definition according to the website Investopedia. So it said that people can use the receipt and bank account to control the record if it actually posts correctly and check the equivalent between the debit and credit account. So accounting also help people set the budget more effectively because it helps people develop a habit of paying attention to the detail. And so when they analyze their income and expense, they can actually identify the unnecessary costs so that make the budget more meaningful and avoid the banking fees for overspending and also create incentive for what they should spend on. And moreover, accounting gives the people the ability to start their own business because it's common for professional accounting to become entrepreneurial when they providing service for large clients. They have the opportunity to develop the networking with them, and when they start their own business, they can use that connection. And because to study accounting, there are requirements for the knowledge of the tax law. So actually, you can exploit that knowledge to reduce your tax liability and minimize the cost. And we know the advantage of understanding accounting in personal finance. Now, accounting system is actually a key in business world because it is a system that measure and summarize business activity. It enable the stakeholder to evaluate the health, the finance health, and project the future outcome so that they can make the decision better. That's the definition of accounting I have on the book, which called the cost accounting. I'm studying right now in the cost accounting class in this semester. So accounting also make the company to comply with the regulation and law despite the difference between state and country to country. And actually people can use accounting as a defense tool against the fraud. So actually company can hide this accountant to make the policy and establish the antitrust procedure. This we can get the information on the Big Four company. So I get this from the Deloitte. They have special segment we call the fraud of forensics, so you can study more about that. And we know the essential of the accounting in this world, there's still limitation. So these are the charts showing the audit quality decline over the year in 2000 until 2018. I don't have the exact number right now, but in 2020, and the Deloitte is this number is showing that Deloitte still need the improvement according to the Financial Reporting Council. And for the PwC and KPMG, this is very good and they classify them as disqualified. And the reason for the decline because the manager of the audit company did not have enough appropriate skepticism produce present the method for tracking the fraud. And the accounting standard are controversial because even though it is strict, it's still many versions of that because of the different circumstance of different company. And so the Big Four failure to challenge the manager for get better quality of auditing. And in conclusion, I think accounting system affects the society in many ways, especially can bring a lot of benefit to people in daily life. And the business world cannot work normally without the accounting system. Fraud is something we can avoid, and thus we have to decrease the limitation of accounting. And there are a quote from the Warren Buffett I very like about that, because he said that the accounting is the language of business and it is imperfect language, but unless you're willing to put in the effort of learning accounting, how to read and interpret the financial statement, you really should select the stock yourself. So I talk about the benefit of accounting, but there are many limitations about that. So we should think about that more carefully when we're studying accounting.